What's up, all my Minute peeps? This is Taiwan Hubbard, and I'm here to do a research update video for you guys. We haven't done one of these videos in a while, but considering we just produced a video for hydrogen for the reproductive system, I wanted to cover a recent study that was published discussing hydrogen benefiting male fertility, primarily sperm, and it's a human study. So we can go ahead and get into the details and the findings of this study, and it's going to be a quick video, but I thought it was interesting, and we weren't able to include this study in our reproductive health video, so I can tell you about it here in this research update. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and break down this video into two parts. In the first part, I'm just going to discuss how they went about conducting this study and some of the findings, and then in the second part I'm going to go ahead and talk about hydrogen's benefits, and I'll probably reiterate some of the things in the findings, but just summarize hydrogen's benefits. And to begin, I think it should be noted this is a hydrogen water study, and the means by which they produced hydrogen water was open cup tablets. And I say that because the dose of hydrogen that these people were receiving is really high, due to the hydrogen tablets that they were consuming, the hydrogen tablets that were generating the H2 water. And so that's important to note, considering, if you might have issues with male fertility, or if you have low sperm count, maybe H2 tablets might be a means to actually benefit that, because that's what was actually used in this study. So let's go ahead and go over some of these findings and some of the ways they conducted the study. So to begin, I have here a little piece of paper. I have some points we're going to go ahead and go over. Other than these points, I don't have anything else to offer. I think it should be pretty quick. So first things first would be that the study aimed to evaluate the effects of hydrogen-rich water on sperm quality biomarkers in those who have a normal sperm count versus men who don't. They had the participants consume 1 liter of either hydrogen water per day or 1 liter of placebo water per day for a total of 8 weeks, so 2 months. Some of the findings were there was a tendency, after the intervention, basically there was a tendency for an increase in sperm concentration and morphology in the hydrogen water group, which is good. Although it wasn't super statistically significant, but what was sperm vitality, basically how long sperm can live, and it was a significant difference between the two interventions, between the placebo and the hydrogen water, and hydrogen water resulting in a greater increase in the life of the sperm cell, so it was able to help them live longer. And then something else that should be noted was that hydrogen, those who had a lower sperm count, hydrogen water significantly increased the sperm concentration. So you can actually look at the study, but I mean, it's pretty remarkable how much it increased their sperm count after 8 weeks. Hydrogen water also tended to increase the total antioxidant capacity within their biological fluids, including the sperm. So I think these are some of the ways they conducted the study, some of the findings. So let's go ahead and go to kind of the summary here. This would be hydrogen gas benefits based on the findings of this study, was that consuming hydrogen water for 8 weeks via these hydrogen tablets producing hydrogen water improves it improved sperm vitality. It helped the sperm live significantly longer, which is a plus if you want to get pregnant, especially when compared to the control group who were just drinking ordinary water. Number 2 is that it increased the sperm concentration of those men who had a lower sperm count. So, and it did this significantly. And the study said potentially indicating the improvement of spermatogenesis, basically your organs producing sperm better, which is pretty remarkable. We talked about this actually in our hydrogen for reproductive health video, where there's also other studies indicating that hydrogen can regulate or influence, improve, enhance spermatogenesis, basically to produce the process of producing sperm, in that video. And we cover some animal models and things like that too. But this is a human study. So it's doing it, they're indicating this might be happening in humans also. So it's not just speaking to its therapeutic potential. It did this for these men, which is pretty cool. And then lastly, I would reiterate again that hydrogen increased the total antioxidant capacity. So it increased the total antioxidant capacity of the men drinking the hydrogen-rich water, reflecting its antioxidant defense and reducing oxidative stress levels in biological fluids, including semen. So you really can't go wrong there. So it's helping not only the sperm live longer, it's also was able to increase the sperm count, but it also kind of regulated the antioxidant status of semen, which is really important if you want to keep those cells alive, so that you can't get pregnant. So I wanted to go ahead and do this video because I thought it would be good, considering that it wasn't even that long ago, maybe like 2 months ago, we actually just did a video on hydrogen for reproductive health. And this study was made aware to me, and I was like, wow, this works really well with our video we just did. So I wanted to go ahead and tell you guys about this update and basically show you that hydrogen has a really good promise and therapeutic potential for male reproductive health as well as female reproductive health. This one's strictly for males, but maybe there'll be another study to pop out soon for females. And but that's it for this research update video. Let's go ahead and wrap it up. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this research update video. And if you love our content and like what we're doing, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for when we post new videos. And we're really back at it. We're wanting to produce more content, getting more out, more studies, more content out to you. So if you like what we're doing, please like and share and consider supporting us. You can do so through Patreon. That will also be in the description of this video. And so if you really like what we're doing, you can financially support us there. All right, we'll catch you next time. Deuces.